Hello guys, welcome back. This is Amasan and welcome back to the another video. Today we're gonna honestly review this Redmi Earbuds S truly wireless Bluetooth earphones. Okay, without further time, let's get into the video. And now let's see what's inside the box. We get an Redmi Earbuds with a compact case. Okay, let's remove the film cover. And this is our Redmi Earbuds or charging case. It's really compact in hand. And what else we get in the box? We get a user manual and we get a pair of earbuds. That's all we contain in the box. There is no any additional USB cable to charge the device. We need to buy it separately. And this is our Redmi Earbuds S truly wireless Bluetooth earphones. And let's speak about the build quality of this charging case first. And this charging case has built well, and this of like kind of cheaper plastic. I mean, it looks like premium, but when we touch and feel, it looks like somewhat cheaper plastic, but it gives a classy look like premium ones. That's all. And this completely fully coated with a black matte finish color that gives some royal look for this charging case. Let's go overthrow of the charging case. On the back of the charging case, we have a micro USB port to charge the charging case, and at the front we have the LED indicators. So this is a charging indicators, and this charging case completely takes about 2 hours to get it fully charged. And the earbuds which is inside, it gets about 1.5 hours to get fully charged from 0 to 100%. Let's check out the earbuds. Here inside we have our earbuds, 2 earbuds left and right. Here is our 2 earbuds. So the earbud is really lightweight, and the company mentions the earbuds weight about 4.1 gram. So that's really completely lightweight, truly wireless earbud. Let's overthrow this earbud, and this earbud has a multi-function button with a LED indicator below, and at the back we have a charging point, a magnetic charging point, and here we have the ear tips. Now let's connect this with our Bluetooth device. Just let me insert it in my ears. This Redmi Earbuds S fits perfectly in ear. It's quite comfortable and it's easy. Now let's turn on the Bluetooth device and let's get to the pair. And when the LED light blinks like this and it started into the pairing mode, take out the next earbud from the charging case, and these both earbuds simultaneously will pair with each other. Now search for the Realme Earbuds S in your Bluetooth device and connect with it, and that's all. It is connected successfully. And whenever you take out the earbuds from the charging case, it automatically pairs with the Bluetooth device which have been previously paired with it. And now let's speak of the connectivities. This Bluetooth earphones has no lot of connectivity issues because this earbuds comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version. The Bluetooth range of this earbuds is about 10 meters in obstacle-free environment. If there is any obstacles in between, it may be lag due to the obstacles which presents in between the connection. So now let's move to the sound quality, which is a main part of the earphones, earbuds, headphones, anything. And this Redmi Earbuds has a 7.2 mm of bass booster driver, which is specially tuned for Indians. So Indians really love much more of basses. Yes, this is really a good bass, and there is a distortion in the bass. The mids and the highs are good at the mid-range level. The bass is so much of like a muddy one. I mean, you cannot really feel the bass, but the bass is over boosted. That's all. This earbuds has an primary mic, and this primary mic, it has a DSP environment noise cancellation. To speak about the call connectivities, everything, there was no any lags in the voice speech, anything. It was going flow and it was smooth, and there was no any issue to the subscriber who is speaking to me because it had a good connectivity. These earbuds have an multi-function controls like single tap for playing and pausing the music, to answer and end calls also. Press and hold this multifunction button for 1 second to reject the calls when incoming call is receiving. And even this works with the voice assistants like Google, Siri and Alexa also. Double press this and it switch on to the voice assistant. When you are on a ongoing call, another call is coming to you, you can easily switch between the calls also. Even you can switch between the earphones and your phone when you are on a call. This has a low latency gaming mode. While you're using to play the games or anything, many truly wireless earbuds or earphones give you a lag issues while playing the games. So while you're playing some games, just triple tap this multifunction button to enable and disable the gaming mode. So when you enable the gaming mode, so there will be a low latency will effectively be reduced. Even I tried some of the games which you could play, and really yes, this gaming mode worked with it. There was no any issue with that. And this Redmi Earbuds has given rating of IPX4 sweat and splash proof. It's not a completely waterproof, it's just a resistance one. At the final, let's talk about the battery in it. Each earbud has a dedicated 43 mAh of a lithium-ion battery inbuilt in it. The charging case comes with 300 mAh of battery. Each earbud gives a playback time of about 4 hours, and when you're using with the charging case, it gives you playback time of about 12 hours. That's a good thing in these earbuds. There are some things which I didn't like in these earbuds. The build of these earbuds looks good, nice, well, and but the made of the plastics look like somewhat cheaper. The earbuds are so sensitive, so delicate, and maybe there's a chances of slipping this from our sweaty hands. If they provided some other rubber grips around these earbuds, I think it feels grippy in your hand. That's all about this Redmi Earbuds S Bluetooth wireless headphone. And for the best buy link, the link in the description, please check it out. To say all over, the build is very good, and my all over rating for this earphone is out of 5 I would give 4. And that's all guys about this Redmi Earbuds S, the Bluetooth truly wireless headphones. If you have any doubts or questions, please connect with me in the Instagram, the link provided in the description. And if you have any more doubts about this Redmi Earbuds S, leave your questions in the comment section also. I'm happy to help you and answer your questions as much as possible, I know. And that's all for now guys. Thanks for watching this video, and signing off here, your Ramos Anand, and see you in the next video. Until then, take care, see you soon, bye bye.